Welcome to Greenville ISD, where we believe in the power of unity and collaboration. Today, we take you on a tour of our district, where we are all moving forward together towards new heights. Join us as we explore the spirit of togetherness that exemplifies this year's theme. At the heart of Greenville, there lies a strong bond among students, teachers, parents, and the community. Our collective spirit drives us to achieve great things as one cohesive team. In our community, we cherish our individual and collective talents, knowing that our unique capabilities make us stronger. Forward together means embracing the richness of our cultures and traditions, fostering an inclusive environment where all students, staff, and community feel valued and respected. In our quest for excellence, we believe in the power of collaborative learning. Forward together means working side by side, inspiring one another, and sharing knowledge to overcome challenges and achieve success. At Greenville ISD, we strive to provide programs that will support the development of well-rounded students. Our Fine Arts program allows students to unleash their creativity and express themselves through music, dance, and visual arts. Our athletes exemplify determination, perseverance, and sportsmanship as they compete at the highest levels, reminding us that we achieve more when we work together as one. Forward together means that even in competition, we remain united, supporting one another and celebrating each other's achievements. As we conclude our tour through Greenville ISD, we are reminded that the power of unity propels us towards new heights. Forward Together encapsulates the essence of our school district, where every step forward is taken as a team. Together.
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 Unidos.
Together.
Together.
We believe in our collective strengths that will shape a brighter future for generations to come.